morning. Welcome to part 3, home tour. We're in my bathroom and we're going to talk about the essential oils and products I have in my bathroom for daily needs and wants. Because you probably just got your oils or you're thinking about getting them and you're like, what do I do with them? All right, so let's get started. I'm going to flip my camera around. We're in my bathroom. So this is what I have in my bathroom. I have a lot of touches, the 10 milliliter rollers. I got cheer, because you're waking up and you don't want to be where you need to be. You've got to cheer yourself up. Helichrysum for little bubos whenever I nick myself in the shower. That helps with that. Of course, frankincense, king of oils. I got my touch. It also has some drops of Melissa and Monica in there as well. That's for skin support. Tea tree, melaleuca, of course, that's a given. Skin, hair, and nails. Rose, just an extra one because I just like to pamper myself. So this I put on right before I put my moisturizer. I just roll that all over my face and I just love the way it smells. HD Clear, I was just trying that out because I was getting some little acne action on my chin. That seems to just, give the skin what it needs. Immortelle Anti-Aging Blend. There's no fractionated coconut oil, so this is straight up oil, so it's not diluted. It's got all the yummy oils to help with skin, like frankincense, myrrh, and a rose as well. Deep Blue for those achy muscles, and because I work at very physical job as a cafeteria lady. And then I've got my Palmarosa, which was a little one-off, and some geranium, and I put that on my dry brush. Little lip gloss. What else? I got lavender, for calming. Balance and Aroma Touch I have in here for the shower. So from the long day and I just need to unwind, I just drop a couple of drops in the shower. Cobaiba for my husband, so when his hands, his wrists and all that start to hurt because of his job, he applies that on there. And then I have some Air-X because I was diffusing, make the bathroom smell nice. I got my facial cleanser, my toothpaste. I've got my On Guard hand wash here. I've got a little to-go bag, so I'm gonna travel. That's why all this stuff is out. And then last but not least, this is inside of my medicine cabinet. I just got a couple of, moisturizers, toners, sun care products, hair care products. So my favorite is Beauty Counter and doTERRA. Those are my two favorites. So I've got that in there. And then for the shower, I'd show you that, but there's nothing in there. I just ran out of their shampoo, so I am waiting for my LRP shipment to come in, and I'm gonna get the shampoo. And we've been using another brand for the body wash, something that I found for the kids. It has, it's all plant-based, so no synthetic anything, and so far so good, they like it. And that's it, that's my bathroom, so stay tuned for part 4, the living room. I hope you're enjoying the tour. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.